Hi mga ka-friends! Welcome back to my channel! Yes, ang nakikita nyo is another chicken recipe na marami-rami na rin ang version and faces. So easy and quick to do, kaya let's start cooking! Bago natin i-fry ang ating chicken, I make sure that it has been seasoned with salt and pepper. Give it a good mix until all our seasonings had cling to our chicken meat. If the chicken is ready, we can start putting oil in the pan. We should both fry both sides of the chicken meat, katamtamang luto lang or cook through. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer to a clean plate. To make the sauce, using the same pan with few remaining oil, let's saute or chop garlic, chopped ginger, and chopped onions. We also add soy sauce to our mixture. We add white vinegar to balance the taste. To make it extra sweet, we add some brown sugar. We also add a glass of water. Give it a good mix to dissolve the brown sugar into the mixture. When the sauce starting to thicken, add back the cooked chicken and toast it so it will coat all the chicken meat. Let's add another set of pepper powder to season our dish.
Merong isang channel ba na
And lastly, let's add our corn flour mixtures into our dish. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos.
Kasi na ako curious na mga niluluto mo.
So here now is our classic chicken teriyaki with sesame seeds. What are you waiting for? Try this one out and you will surely like it. Let me know how you find our cooking edition for today. Kindly let me know by putting your comment below at the comment section. At baka maisama kita sa next ko na video for a shoutout. Have a great day everybody. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you for your continued support on my channel. God bless. See you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.